Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Car, and this is a 1963 Chevy Impala, right next to a other Impala, but we'll talk about that one later. That's a 62. This is an Ivy Green 63. It has a 283 in it, 2-barrel, factory air car, and factory Powerglide car. Beautiful Ivy Green with green interior. It is gorgeous. It's weird too because it's got, Jake, are you ready?
Yes.
Power seats from the factory.
Yes, this has a lot of cool options on it.
Way cool.
Factory air, power seats, and the compass up there on the ceiling. This is a highly optioned 63 Impala.
4-door postcard. Oh, look, ashtrays for anyone who wants to smoke.
Yeah, the rear passengers always need to be smoking a cigarette. It's the rules.
Why wouldn't you?
In 1963. The doors close like butter. Very nice. Chris is going to pop the trunk. Big trunk. We got the fender skirts back here.
It does have the fender skirts back there. Look at this trunk.
I know. I got the full-size spare. We got some floor mats back here, some trophies. It is a very nice trunk.
Yes.
This is a very nice car. We even still got stickerage on the bottom of the trunk lid. The triple tail lights, classic Impala, dual exhaust. Sounds very nice, and I love the green.
The Ivy Green is really, really nice. Look at that. Back seat is just so big and comfortable looking.
The seats are in great condition. We believe this is the original interior.
We believe it is. I know it's the original color,
but it looks fantastic.
But it really does look great. Man, I love this thing.
You want to pop the hood for us?
Oh, I don't see why not.
I like the pattern on the seats too. They don't do cool interiors like this anymore, Sabile.
No, they don't do cool cars like this. Look at that.
There's a little 283.
It's nice though.
And air compressor.
Factory air compressor.
Air conditioning.
The clean view antifreeze. Yes, it does have power drums all the way around. That's just drums. And it does have power steering. I'm excited. It's a beautiful car.
This thing's neat, and it runs and drives like a top.
It does.
And I'm ready to get in it because it's cold.
I can't wait. Let's go.
Let's go. The doors open and close so nice.
Butter.
Here's your microphone.
Yeah, I have cranky windows, but you're not mad at me.
No, they just crank up and down. And we have a crank for the quarter window, it looks like, too.
We do.
Nice. We have a cranky for both. They're all smooth.
Okay, by the way, it's cold.
Oh, the light works for when it's cold. That's very nice. Automatical transmission. 2-hole speeds on the Powerglide.
Forward.
AM radio.
No static at all.
You can listen to the baseball game.
Why wouldn't you?
Dual exhaust too, it sounds good.
Oh, it does.
Here we go. In the beautiful 63 Impala.
It's cold.
The green dashboard. Everything's pretty green in here.
And it's not easy being green, but in this case, it is easy being green.
Yes, it is. I like green. Green's my favorite color, so I'm okay with it.
Kermit the Frog liked it too, because he was green.
Oh, very nice horn.
Excuse me, the boats better get out of the way.
It does sound like a boat.
My goodness.
And it is a boat, really.
It is, but boy, it sure does drive.
I wonder how long this is. I'm gonna guess like 17 feet. 16 maybe?
You know, we gotta measure it when we get back.
We should measure it when we get back.
I like the dash.
The dash is nice. It's in great condition.
It's just, they're getting ready for the space age.
The pad on it. Got an ashtray up here in case you want to take up smoking.
Don't do it, kids.
Don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. Here we go. Oh, here's the cigarette lighter.
Oh, neato.
This is what you use to light your cigarettes, kids. This little contraption here. But again,
little contraption.
There's like little stars in the headliner.
Oh, I love it.
And in the visor. I never noticed that. I don't know if you can see it on camera. The entire headliner has little stars in it.
Little stars.
I thought they were just holes, like perforations.
No.
But they went above and beyond.
That's Chevy for you. And this must be a deluxe interior option because, boy, it sure is nice.
Well, we have power seats. I mean, how many cars from back then had power seats? Probably not that many. And air conditioning.
Factory air, which was a crazy option.
And we can always tell what direction we're going.
We always know.
We're going west.
West, young man. That's what I've been told.
This is cool.
Wow, it's just a blast from the past. I love it.
And you can tell it is real factory AC because of the way it is.
Oh, look, right there.
You got vents.
We do have
Normally
vents.
You wouldn't have vents on the dash like that if you didn't have air conditioning. It's very quiet too on the inside.
It's very nice. We're still cold.
We're still cold up there on the dash, but with all the windows up,
It's
really
a very
nice.
pleasant ride. I mean, this is great.
Well, it's a big body Impala. You know, you could get a higher output option, I'm sure, on this. I think you could get it 4-speed at 327.
I wonder in a 4-door if you could. I guess back then you could do
I don't
anything.
know. But this is just a cruiser.
I love
Comfy, long, quiet, better fuel economy with the 283.
I'm sure it's the best.
But you still got a V8. None of that pesky inline 6 stuff.
No, that's for suckers.
It is for suckers.
You got to get the big 283. It was 195 horse back in 1963, which isn't really anything to sneeze at. With a 2-barrel and a factory air
that's
car.
not bad at all.
I just coast along, man. This is nice.
Yeah, it goes
I
straight.
really do like it.
The power brakes are nice. I know they're drums, but drums are fine. I mean,
It sounds good.
the fact that they're power, you're never going to notice. And you're not going to take this thing to a track day, so who really cares?
I mean, you can drive it to a track day, just don't take it down a track.
Yeah.
Unless it's who can
Drive
get
it
down
to
there in most luxury.
Drive it to the track to spectate.
Exactly. This isn't that car.
I wouldn't, I would probably cross-country road trip this at the drop of a hat.
I think I would too.
It's so nice and comfy in here.
It'd be nice.
The carpet's really nice. Guess what color it is?
Oh, I get it. I bet it's green.
It's green. The seat, very nice. I love the pattern. It's also green. Seat belts, guess what color?
Oh, they gotta be green, right?
They are green. Dash, green.
Oh, okay. Well, this car is green.
Headliner, I think, is white, but it looks green
Is it
tinted
white?
because of all the green that's reflecting off of it from the interior. It is white though. Paint green, obviously. Ivy green, very nice. That is the factory color.
It's a beautiful, beautiful car. It's luxurious.
It is luxurious.
Oh, cold lights off.
Ah, we're not cold anymore.
But we're not hot either, which is good. We're right in the meaty part of the curve.
It'll tell us when we're hot because there's another light up there for hot. It'll also tell us if we don't have any oil pressure because that will light up, or if the generator's gone out, which we don't have any lights. So all of that stuff is working just fine, which is good.
Old Dominion.
All right, here's a little bit of bean test we get to do now.
Yeah, we're just gonna cruise. That's green too. Oh, feel it go.
Oh, it shifted
That's our second
to
speed.
the other speed.
Brake
only
on
have-
through to the other speed.
We only have 2 of them. That's funny.
This is cool. I really like this car a bunch. Oh, I can't wait to hear it fly by us.
I know. The dual exhaust sounds good, so I think it's going to sound nice.
It will. It'll be a big green blur.
A big green blur. It won't be going that fast.
No, it's too nice.
It's very nice, and it's not the
Whoever's
fastest
held
thing.
on to it, whoever got their hands on it, I applaud you for taking such good care of it. And this power steering, butter.
Butter.
You'll know. You'll be driving it.
I think it still has the the little air conditioning sticker on the back glass.
Oh no, does it?
Yeah, it does.
That is so cool.
It might be the original sticker still. Very nice. Ooh, sounds good. All right, you ready to do some flybys?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Jake.
Safety check.
Oh, nice.
We're gonna do the sticker on the front.
Chicago Motor Club. Yay. Isn't it beautiful? Got the skirts. Sounds great. And it looks fantastic. There he goes. The big green machine. Here he goes. Sounds fantastic. That's the way it should be. The old 63 Impala. Beautiful car. What a team, what a time, what a town. I just wonder in the 60s, man, middle 60s, hearing all those cars driving all the time, it must have been a glorious time. 70s, just remember being smoky. Look at that. Oh, very nice. Got the high beams on and everything.
Oh, hello.
Hey, press that button on the floor.
Oh, The high
Oh, your
beams?
high beams are off.
Very nice. You know, Chevy knows how to make a nice driving car.
Doesn't it? And it sounded great.
This is velvety, buttery, whatever you want to call it.
Oh,
it's so smooth. I love a 283. I know it's not the most powerful engine ever, but it's like a little sewing machine just pulling this thing around.
And it's a 2-barrel.
Did it sound good?
It sounded great. It sounded like a cruiser. I just was lamenting, going, man, I bet in 63 and 4, it just sounded great on the highway.
Basically dead quiet in here.
Oh, I know.
It was awesome.
You have a great exhaust note.
I know. You ready to take it back?
Yeah, I am. Let's go. I think it's beautiful.
It's
green.
very nice.
God, I like this car.